How to reverse gum recession, the natural way. Are your gums receding? Do you want to avoid expensive surgery and conflicting advice? Let's dive into natural ways to address gum recession, a condition where your gums pull away from your teeth, exposing the roots and causing sensitivity. Understanding gum recession. Gum recession is often confused with gum disease. While gum disease involves swollen, red, and bleeding gums, recession involves gums traveling down the root of the tooth, exposing darker and softer root surfaces. This can create gaps called black triangles. Causes of gum recession. Wrong oral care products. Using harsh products can damage the protective biofilm on your teeth. Acidity. Frequent consumption of acidic foods and drinks can erode enamel. Dry mouth, medications, allergies, and sinus problems can dry out your mouth, affecting gum health. Improper brushing, overzealous brushing with a hard toothbrush can wear down your gums. Strategies to reverse gum recession. Identify the cause. Stop the habits causing harm to your gums. Use the right tools. Avoid aggressive brushing. Instead, use a toothbrush that stimulates healing cells. Natural remedies. Incorporate practices like using Xylitol and following a complete mouth care system to reduce plaque and support gum health. To summarize it again, be gentle. Use a soft toothbrush and avoid harsh products. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water, and avoid acidic beverages. Monitor oral health. Regular checkups and proper oral care can prevent further recession. Real-life success stories. A young girl with significant gum recession experienced remarkable improvement by following these natural strategies. Her gums, once severely receded, grew back over time without the need for surgery. How? Here are practical steps to follow. Use Xylitol. Chew Xylitol gum after meals to reduce plaque. Avoid over-flossing. Excessive flossing can damage gums. Use gentle, effective cleaning methods. Evaluate your routine. Make sure your dental care products and practices support, not harm, your gums. Conclusion: gum recession can be managed and even reversed with the right approach. By understanding the causes and adopting gentle, natural strategies, you can improve your gum health. Try these methods for a few months and see the difference. Your gums will thank you. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe.